7:40. I'm supposed to be at Marissa's at 8:30 today. I should probably start getting ready. So you gotta wake up. Acting like it's so new when you know it. Okay, what time is it? Fuck, it's already 8. The morning of our hikes, we always say like, oh, okay, let's get there at 8:30, but knowing the both of us, we always end up being late. Let's see where Marissa's at. I'm gonna tell her that I'll probably be there around like 8:45, maybe 9. Oh my god, she better be awake.
Hi, you've reached Marissa and I can't get to the phone right now, but if you're calling to book an appointment.
Oh, look who it is. What up, girl?
Hello.
Are you up?
I mean, yeah, I'm awake.
Did you just wake up?
Maybe.
Oh my god. I was just gonna call you to tell you that I probably will come around like 8:45.
Paula, I'll wait here for another 10 minutes.
Okay, I will be there soon then.
Okay, bye.
Don't forget the next morning, Landy.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Alright, bye.
Bye. See, I told you. I knew it. Her ass is gonna be late too.
Stressing about the feelings that you left alone, like it's all that you wanted.
Shut up the lights. Save energy, people. Because we know that shit is expensive. Okay, then I'm gonna make a quick little smoothie for myself. It's already 8:45. Good time management skills, Kay. Good job. So I'm gonna try this and then I'm gonna head out. Well, it is foggy outside. Ow. Get into my cute little car. Alright. Probably should call Marissa. It is already 9. And I'm just leaving my house.
What?
Hi.
What's up?
I'm just leaving my house.
Hell yeah.
I thought you were gonna be mad.
Just got up 10 minutes ago.
I love us.
I know, I think this is the best news for me today.
We're
So. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. I'm off the hook. Woo, okay, see ya when we get to Marissa's. I am here. I am at your parking garage right now.
Who?
You ready? You ready, Freddy?
Yes.
Alrighty. We going. So we're going to Lake 22. Oh, I was gonna say Hayward Lookout
I know,
again.
I was too.
Yes, we're going to Lake 22. We said that we were going to do Evergreen Lookout, but like there's snow on the trails, and they said that you needed micro spikes and everything.
We don't
and
have those yet.
It's also 35 degrees over like 33 or something. So I'm not trying to
Too cold.
be in the freezing cold. So we go into Lake 22, which I haven't done yet, but it's supposed to be like a super easy out and back hike. It's about like, oh my god, look at this, it's so bright. I have like my settings on.
Oh.
Fuck, I gotta change it.
See, I get it, you see I do bend? Can you get it? Can you see I get it? Bend? Can you get it? Can you see I can bend? Can you get it? Can you see I get it? Bend? Can you get it?
Pretty chilly.
Can you see I do bend? Can you get it? Can you see I get it? Bend? Can you get it?
Okay, got my gear on, all set and ready to go. This has got the pass.
Tried to look
What?
for my license plate.
There it is.
Do the thing.
Hatred is not in my blood. Euphoria is what I feel in my dreams. Love is what I'm searching for. So take me away to safer grounds where we can run free, away from harm. I could be looking for you in all the wrong places. I could be missing on you with all of this dreaming. I better taste this ghost before it leaves me. I can feel your warmth, my eyes go into hiding. I could be looking for you in all the wrong places. I could be missing on you with all of this dreaming. So take me away to safer grounds where we can run free, away from harm.
We're on our way out.
I'll come
Peace.
with my